Here's probably one of my favorites. He just had the cutest little smile with big rosy cheeks. Luke was a loving child. Initially, the first few months of his life, he was just like his two older brothers, but there was something else wrong, and that something else we found out a few months later was autism. Ultimately, the education program that had served him well in his early childhood years was not going to be adequate. He didn't seem to be doing well at home. In fact, he was losing skills that he had had since preschooler. So we sued the school district under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. Our case was heard by Judge Gorsuch as well as two other judges on a three-judge panel. They looked at the same evidence that the three previous judges had looked at, and Judge Gorsuch authored an opinion that overturned all of the previous verdicts in our favor. While the initial process was difficult, Judge Gorsuch's decision was devastating. We were afraid for Luke. He needed an education to be able to be successful, to survive, to have a quality of life in this world. And because of the things that he was struggling with, his world was getting smaller and smaller every day. There were fewer and fewer things that he could do. Judge Gorsuch had a job to fairly and humanely interpret the laws of this country, and he failed at that job. He failed my son Luke. I don't think he should be given the much more grave responsibility of being a Supreme Court justice. I don't trust him to interpret those laws correctly and humanely.